How can your field welding certs make you $30 an hour? And this is just using your certs being independent. So you're an independent welder and you got your field welding certs, meaning you can either stick weld or your TIG welding or your flux core welding in the field. AWS D1, normally 3G and 4G or 6G, either or, whichever one, if you got one cert or two or three certs. Okay, a lot of companies will pay someone to come in to weld up field welds. They got to be expected, and they want someone to do it where maybe they're not real confident in a lot of their guys, or they have already failed inspections in the past, and they're like, hey, we just would rather pay someone to use our equipment. We'll bring everything on the job. You bring your certs, we'll provide everything, and you just come up and we'll pay you a total of X amount of dollars an hour. Like they might say, we'll give you X amount of dollars for a 2-day job or a 3-day job, or say it'll take a week to do this, but if you get done before then, we'll still pay you this. You know what I mean? So $30 an hour is a good sweet spot. And I'm gonna say that because with that, you're getting paid for your certs, and also you're getting paid for your gas mileage. So I put the mileage into that $30. So normally it's like 25. Say if you're getting paid 25, and then $5 is going towards an hour is going towards your gas and your vehicle, getting you there and back. So look at it like that. That's how I look at it. So $30 an hour is damn good money to be independent. And this is just having your certs, your AWS certs, your OSHA 10, because most commercial places, that's all you need. This is commercial repairs, industrial work. You can have your OSHA 10 in your AWS and be ready to go. You got your equipment, your leathers, everything you need, your boots, your high vis, whatever's needed for that job site. And you can make $30 an hour easy. So I just wanted to say that because I had a few people asking me, what's the sweet spot? And I would say, without using no equipment, with being good at what you do, having your certs in your pocket, you can make $30 an hour. Hold on.